Today we're making a nature video. As you can see, these are trees that are not yet trees. Amazing. Tiny trees. Then we see more trees that are not trees. And now, forget to see it. Oh no, we can't see it. But in there, there's a wild S.A.J 7-Eleven, but we can't see him. And here's a bendy boy. He can bend even with the strongest winds, and he doesn't break during the hurricane. He's still there. And then this fence. This is grass all around us. So amazing for all of those people who never step outside and are anti-socialist. Now we can see we're entering a human habitat. And then there we go. We see Bonnie. And this is a very rare type of pet. It looks like you don't usually find them in a pet store. You usually find dogs and cats because everyone loves dogs and cats. But I love bunnies. So anyway, now we're gonna go see the wild S.A.J 7-Eleven. Okay, we have to be quiet. You should say S.A.J 7-Eleven. Oh dude, it's attacking. Oh no, it's out of its natural habitat.
I need to play Minecraft or else I'll die.
Play Minecraft here.
I can't download the Minecraft.
Oh.
It says it's not compatible with my Samsung Note 7.
Oh, so sad. Wait, isn't that an iPhone? Wait a minute.
Samsung
Wait, he's playing Clash of Clans. As you can see, S.A.J 7-Eleven loves playing all the games that everyone hates. No, it's raged because they called Clash of Clans an old
Clash of
game.
Clans is better than you and your videos. Go kill yourself.
How dare you? Okay, so now we're going to be... He closed the door. Oh God, I should have
In my
opened the
room,
door.
I'm playing Minecraft.
Don't you mean you're playing Clash of Clans?
I'm playing Clash of Clans, Minecraft, same thing. Oh, by the way, have you ever played so much Minecraft that you look at your hand and it's pixelated?
What?
Yeah, boy,
No.
that happened to me.
I hear the blinding sun. Wait, where is it? Damn it. What do you mean? I don't like. I barely have any subscribers.
Followers.
Yeah, followers on my Instagram. Just kidding. I'm not your brother. What are you talking about? I'm a clone of you. Oh no! As you can see,
I got the Barbarian King level 69.
what? Oh, dude.
It's
Okay,
actually level
I'm
1.
done with him.
It's actually level 1.
Why don't we see
Once you
some
enter, you never get out.
No, 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 please. Okay, now we're running away from the S.A.J 7-Eleven. Okay.
Bye. Kill yourself. Lock.
Oh, damn, he locked me out of my own house. Whatever. As you can see there's a pile of trees that got killed by the hurricane. That was my granddad. Yeah, my 7th granddad. My other 6 are still alive though.
Lock the door.
Damn it. Okay, so and now you see red plants like my friend Rock, and oh, actually you see Rock right here. A bunch of him and his family, and then you see these are my cousins. Hello. They can't talk, so yeah, and that's all I guess. So bye guys.